My first live day trade was about 2 months into the program. I'll never forget the exhilaration I felt when I made that first trade. It was an amazing feeling to go head to head with Wall Street and come out as a winner. Here I was, a guy with about 2 months worth of training up against traders with years of experience in training, buying a stock and selling as fast as I could type and ending with a 10% profit. I remember jumping out of my seat and yelling at the top of my lungs in excitement. Making the money was definitely exciting, but it was the possibility that I could do this and succeed at it that had me so thrilled. At the time, I remember thinking to myself how long it would have taken to make that 10% had I put it into, say, a CD. And it would have taken about 5 years, and I made it in just a little over 5 seconds. I quickly realized that not only was Jay's method working as advertised, but I was identifying entry points on my own in the first 2 months of training, and I began to see that this system could easily generate an income. I've always had this drive to be an entrepreneur, to own my own business, to be my own boss, to set my own hours, and to take time off whenever I want to or need to without having to ask for permission. As an active duty member of the armed forces, finding a business that I could take with me anywhere, including overseas, was extremely important. I searched unsuccessfully for many years before stumbling upon the Day Trade Fund program. I can literally take this program anywhere. In the time that I've been an active trader, I've traded from 5 different states. I've traded while out to sea. I've traded while on overseas trips. I've traded in hotels, restaurants, airports, and even on boats. Being military requires me to be mobile at all times and prepared to leave at a moment's notice. Having the ability to watch the markets and make trades on something as simple as a smartphone, all the way to a desktop and everything in between, allows me the ultimate freedom and flexibility that I was looking for. The Day Trade Fund program simplifies the process of day trading to the extent that you can have zero experience and within a very short period of time begin identifying multiple opportunities in a day that can generate very quick returns. When I began watching the markets throughout the day, I would see stocks meet the specific criteria that Jay teaches, and they would do exactly what he said they would do. I would see this day in and day out, and I would think to myself, how did he know that stock would do that? As an instructor, Jay makes himself very accessible, particularly so during market hours. And whenever I had a question on how he knew a stock would move a certain way, I would get immediate and detailed responses. And Jay's ability to take something that is pretty complicated in nature and simplify it for his students makes the learning process very quick and painless.
Investing in securities involves risk, including the risk of loss. Investors may make or lose money. Past performance is no guarantee of future results, and no one can guarantee what the market is going to do from day to day or minute to minute.